The batter should be of perfect consistency. It should neither be liquidy, not very thick. You should take one full batter and preheat the tawa, non-stick tawa. Take one full ladle of the liquid, pour it in the middle, and slowly start spreading it evenly by clockwise. It will get a circling effect on the whole dosa or chilla. Then add little bit of oil. Keep your flame on medium. Wait for one side to be cooked. See, when the side is coming out, it means the one side is done. Just flip over and cook from other side. Make sure both the side is cooked well. As soon as it's done, just flip the half of dosa or chilla. It's ready to serve.